Day 5! Happy Saturday. First Saturday in the Advent calendar. So here we are. Sandra is not going to make it tonight. She sent me a message to let me know. I think she is our most loyal supporter of this. Hello, Danielle Betts 28. How are you? You're the first person watching. So I was just saying that one of my most loyal supporters is not going to join us tonight, but I'm making this cocktail even if it's just for you, Danielle, so stick with me. So today I am making, oh, she left. Bye. So I'm talking to nobody. I guess Saturday night. Martin, you're here. Saturday night is not a great night for live, and Carrie is here. Hi. Not going to be as many people tonight, but hey ho, I am still drinking a cocktail. In fact, I am making 2 because John is going to join me tonight. So this is a cocktail that I created about 2.5 years ago. It is called a Royal American because I made it in honor of Harry and Meghan's marriage, being a big fan of intercontinental relationships. Good afternoon, Dima. Thank you for watching. Oh, you're back in Manchester, Martin. Welcome back to the cold. Welcome to Tier 3. So the Royal American was made in honor of another intercontinental relationship, Harry and Meghan. And they made their wedding cake was a non-traditional wedding cake. I guess Brits often have that weird fruitcake stuff that you people tend to like. Sorry, you people. That your people, that the Brits tend to like. But Harry and Meghan went with a different flavor. They went with elderflower and lemon. And our original gin, Sir Robin of Locksley, has elderflower as one of the main botanicals. So I thought it would lend itself beautifully to an elderflower and lemon cocktail. I wanted to make it celebratory, so I'm including Prosecco because you need a little bit of fizz to toast at a wedding. So it's called a Royal American because it's kind of like a gin fizz, but with Prosecco instead of soda. So here we go. The main ingredients: Sir Robin of Locksley, an elderflower liqueur, lemon juice, egg white, and I decided back when it was for a wedding to add a little bit of heat because, you know, you need a little bit of heat on your wedding night. So Bittermens Hellfire Harbanero Shrub, a couple of dashes of that will also go in. And then I'm going to top it with Prosecco. So I'm going to make 2. So for 1, it would be half this. So I'm going to do 70 milliliters of Sir Robin of Locksley gin. 35 if you were doing 1, obviously. 60. And 70. For my original recipe, I said between 15 and 20 milliliters of the Saint Germain or elderflower. Ugh! I almost had to call John in for that cordial. So I'm going to go in the middle, and I'm going to do 35 for 2. In we go. And I actually pre-squeezed my lemons earlier, so I don't have to squeeze my juice. Hello, Cousin Nellie. Lemon juice, I'm going to put 30 milliliters in. Say hello.
Hey guys.
30 milliliters of lemon juice. I'm going to do 1 egg white for 2 cocktails because it's going into a champagne flute. I think 1 egg white is plenty. Cracked my egg already too. I was so prepared tonight. And I'm going to do a good... Do the bats have their reeds? They do. Can you see the... Oh, they're not on screen. I'll show you. Can you see? There's a little bit of a tree branch on one. But yes. And I put a little dehydrated clementine as well. So back to the cocktail. Got the important stuff out of the way. Bats. I'm going to put in 2 dashes because I think I put only a tiny bit in last time, 2.5 years ago, and it might not have had as much heat as I wanted. So 2 dashes, hopefully it's not too hot, blow our heads off. And then I'm going to do a reverse dry shake, as I tend to do. So ice is going to go in first. Actually, I'm going to move that over to there. Get the ice. Excuse me, darling. Royal American.
I think you can get those bitters on.
Here?
Bittermens you can get on Master Malt, yeah.
Sandra said you can get the other ones.
Couldn't see them. The bitter end.
Yeah, the bitter end. She must have found them. Anyway, so all that's going in, shaking to chill. Then I'm going to strain the ice out. And it's got a nice chill. So I'm going to strain the ice, and then I'm going to give it to John. Since he's here, he can be my shake man. All right, I'm going to dump the ice. And give it back to John to give it a good shake to get a nice foamy egg white. Shake it, baby. Specky Hen joined. That's oh, what's her name? She bought the coffee and the chocolate from us the other day and wanted me to email her recipes.
Sue.
Sue. Sorry, Sue. That is you, right, Sue? You've joined Instagram just so you can watch us make some cocktails? Alrighty, I'm gonna get our pre-chilled champagne flutes out. And will you open the Prosecco for me while I...
Using that for a fresh one.
Fresh one. That one doesn't have much fizz left in it. Checked. So 2 pre-chilled champagne flutes. Dima says, if you want to see something scary, watch him try to shake a cocktail. Stick with wine then, Dima, yeah? No choice. And then we are going to try not to make too much of a mess. Are you going to do it? Slowly top it with Prosecco, as my mother-in-law would like to call it. Beauty.
Egg white and Prosecco.
Yeah, it's a royal fizz. Ooh. Maybe that's enough in that one. Just a drop. All right. But I haven't garnished yet. Ooh, it's got some heat. A good amount of heat, I think, this time. So, since it's for, again, since it was for a wedding, I'm doing my, oh my goodness, fancy little garnish with some cranberry bitters, because they are red. 3 little drops. And then take a cocktail stick. You want to hold that? Can you hold that aiming down? And then take your little cocktail stick and you drag it through the circles. And it turns them into little hearts. Like little hearts there. Turn that one into a heart. There we go. And there are your Royal Americans. celebrating the intercontinental love. There's yours.
Done.
And cheers to Saturday night, day 5. Cheers. Intercontinental love. Mwah. Love you. There you go. Let's see how it goes. Hi, David. You missed it. Thanks, Carrie. Oh, it is fantastic. Does it have enough heat?
Yeah.
Hello, Tarsier. How are you guys? Tomorrow night, I am making a cocktail that Tarsier already knows about. We discussed it. And I'm going to make it, and then I'm going to ask him to advise me on how I could make it better, because I'm using an ingredient that he knows a little more about than I do, but it's going to be lovely. Sorry, David. Yes, I started at 7:15 tonight. I even waited a little bit. Usually I start at 7. But you can watch the playback and see the recipe for the Royal American. I love this cocktail. I haven't made this since we made it that first time for Megan and...
Well, they
what
bought
was
it off,
that?
didn't
What's
they?
the guy? What's the guy called? The redhead?
Hazza.
Looks good. Hearts look good. Could have done holly with green food color. No food color. Don't use food color. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Hey, Tarsier. Okay, you guys just carry on having a conversation, Martin and Sherwin and Tim. I had to take a sip. Get it in.
So what's tomorrow?
So tomorrow is a purple lady.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll have more stories about purple. Well, not really stories. Does anybody have anything? Any questions? Any feedback? Any requests for future cocktails? Got a lot lined up, but I don't have 24 exactly. There might be some variations on a theme. I told one of our employees yesterday, our part-time employees, that I was making 24 cocktails in 24 days, and he's a bartender, and he said, I don't think I could name 24 cocktails. Oh, that's lovely.
Which is very good.
Oh, yeah. With the habanero.
Yeah.
More than the last time.
Hellfire bears, I think that, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, but Hellfire is habanero shrub. Yeah. Cool. All right. Dima, bring back Sir Robin stateside or ship me a bottle. Yes. A BSOT Bramble. That's an idea. It's a very good idea. I think that would stand up to a Bramble pretty well. We're working on it, Dima. I'm not sure when we're going to get back to the States with this whole crazy pandemic thing and this whole crazy Brexit thing. But, you know.
Maybe the tariffs will change now anyway, after January. We'll see.
Who knows? We shall see. Mm-hmm. Cool. I think we are going to go and finish our cocktails and eat some tea and watch film with the small person and then get back to cocktailing tomorrow. I've got a big day tomorrow doing 3 things with the Gin to My Tonic Festival, 3 chocolatey things, and then the Purple Lady tomorrow evening around this time. So thank you again so much for tuning in, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good afternoon. Good evening. Sayonara. Ciao.